Hello everyone, welcome to Kuants. Today I will tell you how to use R.S.I indicator, relative strength indicator, in Algolab. So this is the backtest section of Algolab. At first you need to give name of your strategy. Here I am giving R.S.I this strategy name, and second is to select stocks. Let's example I choose Asian Paints. And another stock is Reliance. And now to write your strategy here. So here I put my strategy. First I write close is greater than R.S.I bracket the period 70 bracket close, and delay double bracket close is less than R.S.I bracket the period 70,1. This one denotes the previous one candle R.S.I was below 79, so that it acts as a crossover, and now bracket close. This creates when R.S.I crosses above 70 period, we initiate buy trade. After this, check target and stop loss. Now click on submit. And now wait, let system do the backtest. Here you can check your results and analyze throw charts, and here can check returns. If returns are not satisfied, then modify and rebacktest again. So that's how you can create and backtest your strategy on Algolab.